Hello everyone. In this exercise of SolidWorks, we will understand how to create smart fasteners in SolidWorks assembly. We will create fresh new parts. Then we will use how to use smart fastener. Let's start. File, new, assembly, and OK. This is the SolidWorks assembly environment. I am cancelling it. This is the SolidWorks assembly window. I am cancelling all. I will create two fresh new parts. Okay, how I will create it? I am selecting the background plain white and the unit system from here is the millimeter gram second. Okay. In order to create fresh new part, we will go insert components, new part, this one. Okay. I am selected. We are in editing. I am selecting this one and this part. Right click and editing part. Now we are in the editing mode of this part. Fresh new parts. Okay. I am selecting top plane. This assembly top plane. Okay. This one. Select. Sketch this one. I am creating a rectangle here. This one 120 and I am creating two fresh new arbitrary parts. This is I am taking 120. This is 120 and this I will taking I am taking 200. Okay, this one. This is the part. Future, extrude boss base. This one I am taking 40 mm. Thickness is 40 mm. This one. Okay. Now I am selecting this face above one. This face is select sketch and select this. Again center rectangle, this one, but I will create construction for this. Okay, and smart dimension, I am taking this dimension 20 mm and this dimension I am taking also 20 mm. This one. Okay, sketch is fully defined. Okay, I will create four tapped holes I will create here, these points. So how I will do it? First out of the sketch. Now still we are in the editing mode of this part. Okay. In future I will go in the hole wizard, this one. I will select A and C. There are different standard. AS, ISO, GB, DN. I am selecting A and C standard. Okay. And I am selecting I am selecting this tapped hole. There are various hole types here. So this is if you see, this one is the tapped hole, state tapped hole. I am selecting bottoming tapped hole throughout hole elements. I am selecting size up from here. I am selecting M10 into 1 mm pitch. This cell I am selecting. If you will show this one, this will the custom size you will show for this thing. And for M10 hole, the dia of the drill will be 9 mm. Uncheck it. Up to next, and up to next, and this thread call out. Okay, I am selecting position and this select this face. And now hole is activated. You will see yellow. This hole is activated, tapped hole. Now you mark where you want to mark here. This one first, this one, and this one. And okay. You will see 4 hole I have created tapped holes. Okay. Now I am editing in this. I am out of this part. Okay. This is first part. You can give it color. You can give edit appearance from here. This one I am giving appearance for this one, appearance, and I am giving the, for example, this color I am giving for this. Okay, and close it. Okay, now I will create another part. How? Now same command manager, I will go in the new part. I am this new part. New part will comes here. Now select this, right click, this one, right click, and this is the editing part. Now we are in the editing mode of the second part. You will see the first part is visible, but whatever operation we will do here, that will not affect in this first part. Now we are in editing mode of the second part, but whatever operation we will do here, that will not affect this one. We can take a reference only on this one. Okay, select this phase, sketch. Now I am taking center rectangle, this one, and this. Okay, sketch is fully defined. Okay, now future, extrude boss base, and this time I am taking thickness only 12 mm. This one. Okay, now this is the second part. You will see first part is visible, but this, it will not affect that one. Okay, normal. Now I am creating a construction angle, this sketch, and this one, center rectangle, this one, select this line, construction. This is construction. Another side, smart dimension, 20 mm. This dimension 20 mm. Okay, this one, sketch is fully defined. I have made a rectangle construction for locating the holes here. This time, first out of the sketch, future, hole wizard. This one, in future you will find the hole wizard. This time I will take this one. This is the hole. I am taking hole. ANC metric, you can take different standard from here. This one, tower hole, I am taking drill size. Okay, this I am taking hole size, I am taking 10.5. Okay, up to next, this one, position click, select this face. Now you will see yellow indication is coming here. That indicates that is the hole is activated. Now you mark at this point, assign this point, assign this point, assign this point, up to next, and this one. This is the hole is marked. This one. Now we have made two plates. We are in editing mode of the second part this time. At this time, hole I have created that will not affect second part or first part. Okay. Now this one, appearance, this one, appearance, you give another appearance for this one. For example, this color. This one. Appearance is not coming. Okay. Out of this one. These are the two parts I have made. You will see. One, the upper plate I have made the hole, simple hole, and first part I have made the tapped hole here. Okay. Now, but in the normal condition, this is the task pane. Here is the design library. In the design library, there is a toolbox. Okay. Toolbox if this is not coming here, you can go from here, upper section and option, and you can this one, add-ins. Add-ins, you will see here Solidworks toolbox library. You can check it and okay it. Then it will come. Now if I click toolbox, this box comes. You press here add-in now. Okay. Now there are the various standards you will see here. Favorites, ANSI inch, ANSI metric, CIs, BSI, DIN. Suppose I select ANSI metric. Double click, you will find various types of the tools. Bearings, bolts and screws. There are various types of the fasteners you will find here. Bearings, bolts and screws, nuts, O-rings, etc. Power tension, you will find the gears here. So in bolts and screw, this one. Double click. I suppose I take hex head, this one. You will find various types of the hex. Okay, if I am selecting heads, this one, and drag it. Now you will see, you bring the bolt and this one. You will see there are two symbols you will see here. This one, this symbol, both symbols. One first bring in the hole and then face. You will see my cursor there was the hole. When you see this symbol, you will see it's changing. So it means okay. Now second, this one. This is the M10 bolt. Okay. Required parameter you can select from here. M10. Suppose length, whatever length you want to take, you can take, and this one. In this way, suppose I am clicking OK. Now another will come here. Bring there. You will see this face. This type of symbol you will see. If I am zooming this time, when you see this symbol, first you will see one symbol, axis type, this one. Now you will see this symbol. It means you are okay, and click it. In the same way, another will come. First, bring near hole, this symbol, and first for axis, for second for face. Click it. This one you will see this, and this. This symbol when you see, then it means you are fixing. Click here. Now more bolts will come, but I don't more to click. Cancel it. Escape or cancel it. In this way we can, in normal way we can use a toolbox, can bring the different type of fasteners, this one. But I will not do this thing. I will use smart fastener in order to make the fast way. Okay. I am deleting this one. This one. I am deleting all this one. Delete, or select it from here. You can delete, or this one, delete it. This one. Okay. Now, how I will use the smart fasteners? In the smart fastener, in the assembly section, you will find there is a smart fasteners. Select this one and smart fastener. Click OK to continue. For this, our toolbox should be activated. In order to operate this smart fastener, apply the smart fastener, you have to, okay, this toolbox should be activated from here, as I have done. Okay. So this window comes here. This window comes here. Selection. I am selecting this face, this one. Okay. And now you add this one. So required size of the bolts will appear. This one will appear in this way. This is the socket head capsule. If you right click on it, you want to change it default fasteners, you want to keep it default fasteners. This one, change fastener type, you can change from a right click on this one and change fastener type. If you want to change the fastener, you can change from here. Okay, this one. And now add top to stack. Suppose you want to add the washer below this one. How? Select this one, add to top washer, flat washer. Suppose I am narrow washer, this one. Washer will come here. Okay. And suppose bottom stack, this one, select this face, add bottom stack, nut. For example, I use nut. This one, come here. In this way, this comes here. But here you check this mark, auto size to hole diameter, auto update length. Okay, in this way, it can update the length of this one. This one. Or you can increase the length from here. Simplified, you can give the cosmetic thread here. This one. And this is M10 cosmetic thread. This is the thing. In this way, you can add the smart fasteners. You will see here. In this way, in the top one assembly. Okay. And you want to change this, select it, edit grouping, this one. You can change this from edit fastener. You can edit from here. Okay. In this way, we can add the smart fastener. In normal way, we can use from here. But this is the fast way of just simply select the face only. Okay. And this way you can use the smart fastener in order to speed up your work. And I hope you would have enjoyed in my this exercise. You please like, share and subscribe my this channel. Thank you very much.